Hello everyone, this is Scott Gay and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Before we start, I hope that all of you have watched my video on SikaCoat 300 Cool, and if you haven't, please remember to go and watch it first lah. Anyway, for today, I'll be talking about SikaCoat 500 Super, a styrene-acrylic copolymer waterproof liquid membrane coating with internally reinforced microfibers. Let me introduce again. SikaCoat 500 Super is a one-component, water-based, liquid elastic waterproofing coating based on styrene-acrylic copolymers with integral microfiber reinforcement. SikaCoat 500 Super coating system is formulated to provide enhanced tensile strength of the coating product and forms a flexible, tough, and durable reinforced protective waterproofing membrane layer. It is also suitable for use in hot and tropical climates. With the product introduction, we can easily identify three important criteria of SikaCoat 500 Super over SikaCoat 300 Cool. Number 1, added reinforced microfibers. Number 2, enhanced tensile strength. And number 3, tougher and more durable membrane layer. There are many uses of SikaCoat 500 Super. Number 1, waterproofing of flat horizontal roof and on other types of substrates. Number 2, waterproofing layer under tiles, for example, balcony. Number 3, vertical wall coating against surface water infiltration. See, there are many similarities as compared to SikaCoat 300 Cool. How about the characteristics or advantages of using SikaCoat 500 Super? Impervious to rain and water splashes, elastic waterproofing membrane, high weather resistance and UV resistance, easy to apply by using brush or roller, non-toxic, odorless and water-based, good adhesions to various substrates and many others. Again, very much identical to SikaCoat 300 Cool. For packaging, this is 5kg pail, also available in 20kg pail. Color, white color, grey color, green color, also available in other colors upon request. Shelf life, 12 months from the date of production. With added microfibers, let us see the difference between SikaCoat 500 Super versus SikaCoat 300 Cool. Come closer. It's very thick and creamy. For mixing, mix SikaCoat 500 Super manually or using a low-speed mixer until it is completely homogeneous prior to application. For application, you may apply using a short hair wool roller or a brush. As per the system information, you are recommended to apply one layer of primer coat using SikaCoat 500 Super diluted with 10% of water at the rate of 0.3 kg per meter square, followed by 2 layers of undiluted SikaCoat 500 Super at the rate of 0.65 kg per meter square. Are you ready to apply SikaCoat 500 Super? Let's start with primer. For primer coating, please leave it to cure or tag free within 1 to 2 hours. For first coat, apply 1 layer of SikaCoat 500 Super. Leave it to cure or tag free after 1 to 2 hours before applying second coat. It is recommended to apply the top coats in 2 directions, both horizontal and vertical, at the right angles. The waterproofing system is ready to use after 72 hours. Look at the result. This is after one layer of primer coat, and this is after one layer of primer coat and one layer of top coat. And this is after one layer of primer coat and 2 layers of top coats. There are a few important considerations that you must aware when using SikaCoat 500 Super. Number 1, SikaCoat 500 Super should not be used in places where it is in permanent contact with water. For example, swimming pool, water tanks, shower area, toilets, wet kitchens, and etc. Which also include flooding and or condensation. Number 2, SikaCoat 500 Super may be applied as a finishing paint. And number 3, do not place sharp or piercing objects on the cured SikaCoat 500 Super. Number 4, SikaCoat 500 Super is not recommended in areas with constant or very long contact with water. Number 5, a minimum of 2 coats, not inclusive of primer, must be applied as a waterproofing system. Again, thank you for watching my video, and I hope that all of you have an even better understanding on SikaCoat 500 Super and SikaCoat 300 Cool. And I'll see you in my upcoming ATKC home improvement show. Bye bye for now.